Clear? Next bit, sir. A big number is converted into small numbers. We observe the four following rules. First rule is sum of the number. Second rule is product of the numbers. Third rule is square of a number. Fourth rule is cube of the number. Fourth rule is cube of the number. Write down now. Next bit, sir. Next bit, sir. 64 is related to 100 is as 256 is related to dash. Option A sir 169, option B mod 289, option C sir 144, option D sir 484. Next bit sir. 25 is related to 343 is as 121 is related to dash. Option A 125, option B 216, option C 64, option D 512. Next bit sir. 121 is related to 484 is as 235 is dash. Option A 2350, option B 2750, option C is 2150, option D is 2352. 2352. Right, sir. Look at the big you look at the options, sir. You can do a problem easily. 64 is 100 is as 256 is dash 100, sir. 64 ki 100 ke madhya relation. What's the relation between 64 and 100? 64 can be written in the form of 8 square. 100 can be written in the form of 10 square. 8 and 10 both are even number, consecutive even number. 256 is the square root of 16. Increase in next even number is 18. 18 square how much more? 324. Is it option in of 324? Nothing. There is a no in option. What is the relation between? No, right sir. 64 and 36 here increasing by 36. In the same way here increasing by 36. Your answer goes to 392. Is it there in option 392? No sir, there is no in option 392. 392 is not there in the option. What the relation between 64 and 100 now? What's the relation between 64 and 100? 256. 64 can be written in the form of 6 plus 4. How much sir? 10. What about 10 square? 10 square means how much sir? 100. In the same way 2 plus 5 plus 6 how much sir? 13. What about 13 square means how much sir? 169. 169 is it in option A? 169 is in option A. Right sir, next bit sir. 25 is 343 is as 121 is dash. Is it there any relation between 25 and 343? 25 is square of 5 square. 343 is cube of 7 cube. 121 is square of 11 square. 5 next to prime number is 7. 11 next to prime number is 13. What about 13 cube? 2197. Is it there in option 2197? There is no in option 2197. Then what we do sir? 25 becomes 343. How? Is it there any relation between 325 to 343? 25 can be split into 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5 how much sir? 7. What about 7 cube? 7 cube means 343. The same way 121. 1 plus 2 plus 1 how much more? 4. What about 4 cube? 4 cube is 64. 64 belongs to option C. 64 belongs to option C. What about next one sir? 121 is 484 is as 235 is a dash. 121 is can be multiplied with 4. In the same way 235 into 4, your answer goes to 940. Is it there in option 940? There is not there in the 940. Is it there any relation between 121 and 484? You can observe it's 121 is a square of 11 square. 484 is a square of 22 square. 235 is a square of not in any square now. That's why it is not a square in logic, sir. What the relation, sir? 121 and 484, it is multiplied with 4. In the same way here multiplied with 4, your answer goes to 940. Is it not there in 940? What's the relation between them, sir? Why? Because it is multiplied with 4, you can observe it, sir. You can split the 121, 1 plus 2 plus 1, total number is 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, that's why multiplied with 4. In the same way 2 plus 3 plus 5, how much more? It is 10. You can multiply with 10. 2, 3, 5 into 10, your answer goes to 2350. 2350 belongs to option A. 2350 belongs to option A. Right, clear? Right now. Right here. Alright, next picture. 3829 is related to 3851 is as 2987 is dash. Option A is 3013. Option B 3007. Option C is 3070. Option D none of these. Next bit, sir. 123 is 36 is as 234 is dash. Option A is 50. Option B 99. Option C is 60. Option D none 70. Next bit, sir. 3 by 5 is 8 is as 7 by 11 is dash. Option A is 64. Option B 70. Option C 343. Option D how much more 50. 3829 is 3851 is as 2987 is a dash. Right, sir. Sir, here value is the big value, that's why we can take as a difference. Here gap is 22. In the same way here gap is 22, we can increase. Our answer is 3009. 3009 is there in option, means there is a no in option, that's why option D is given. None of this, put the option D, your bit is wrong. In analogy, none of this is not in the correct answer, sir. But why? Because we can add 22 number and is the most important thing. Right, sir, because of you can split the number 3829. So you can split it and sum of the number is the gap of the number. 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 9, 19, 19 plus 3, how much more it is? 22. That's why we can increase it by 22. In the same way, 2 plus 9 plus 8 plus 7, count is 26. You can 2987 plus 26, we can add it, your answer goes to 3013. How much, sir? 3013. Next bit, sir. A big number is converted into small number. You can observe the following rules. First sum of the numbers. 2, 1 plus 2 plus 3. How much, sir? 6. What about 6 square means 36. In the same way 2 plus 3 plus 4 how much son? 9. What about 9 square means 81. Is it there in option 81? There is nothing in the option 81. Next option. Next product of the numbers 1 into 2 into 3. 1 2s are 2, 2 3s are how much? 6. What about 6 square means 36. In the same way 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are how much? 24. 24 square means how much? 576. Is it there in option? There is no in option. Next option 3. Next square of a numbers 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. 1 square means 1, 2 square means 4, 3 square means 9. More. Our total count is 14. In the same way 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square. 4 plus 9 plus 16, your overall count is 29. Is it there in 29? There is nothing in 29. Last logic is a cube of a number. You can cube it 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube. 1 cube means 1, 2 cube means 8, 3 cube means 27. Count it more 36. In the same way 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube. 2 cube means 8, 3 cube means 27, 4 cube means 64. You can add it, your answer goes to 99. You can add it, your answer goes to 99. What about the next one, sir? 3 by 5 is 8, is 7 by 11 is dash. 3 by 5 is 8, is 7 by 11 is dash. Is it there any relation between 3 by 5 is 8 and 7 by 11 is dash? Right, sir, nothing more. Sir, we can simply observe 3 plus 5 means 8. In the same way 7 plus 11 is 18. Is it there in option 18? No, sir, there is nothing in the option. How, sir? How it happened? Nothing more. Denominator minus numerator. 5 minus 3. How much, sir? 2. What is the value of 2 cube? 2 cube means how much, sir? 8. In the same way, denominator minus numerator. 11 minus 7. How much, sir? 4. What about 4 cube? 4 cube means how much, sir? 64. 64 belongs to option A. 64 belongs to option A. 64 belongs to option A. Write down, sir. Right, clear? Next bit, sir. 4 by 5 is 9, is as 3 by 5 is dash. Option A was 16, option B 17, option C 18, option D 19. Next bit, sir. 8 is 16, is as 12 is dash. Option A is 36, option B 48, option C 26, option D 47. Next bit, sir. 28 is 60, is as 47 is dash. Option A, sir, 44. Option B 33, option C sir 18, option D sir 95, option D 95. Sir, is it there any relation between 4 by 5 and 9 and 3 by 5 is dash? Something is there any relation between, sir? Sir, nothing but it is a simple, sir. Numerator and denominator you can add it and the result is 9. In the same way, 3 plus 5 means how much, sir? 8. Is it there in option 8? Nothing, sir. There is nothing to long time. What's the relation, sir? It is nothing more. What the relation is between them means so denominator minus numerator, denominator square minus numerator square. 5 square means 25, 4 square means 16, 25 minus 16, how much ma? 9. In the same way, 5 square minus 3 square, 25 minus 9, your answer goes to 16. 16 belongs to option A. 16 belongs to option A. What about next one, sir? 8 is 16 is as 12 is dash, sir. 8 is 16 means nothing but 2. 8 2s are 16. 12 2s are how much, sir? 12 2s are 24. 24 is there in option means nothing, sir. 8 divided by 2, how much, sir? 4. What about 4 square means 16? In the same way, 12 by 2 means 6. What about 6 square is 36? 36 belongs to option A. 36 belongs to option A. What about next one, sir? 28 belongs to 60. Is it there any relation between 28 and 60? Here gap is how much, ma? 32. In the gap is 32, your answer goes to 79. Is it there any relation between 79 means ma? Nothing, there is no relation between 79. What's the relation, sir? 28 becomes 60. How it possible? 28 60 means 28 can be written in the reverse order. 82 means 8 square minus 2 square. 8 square means 64. 2 square means 4. Your resultant answer is 60. In the same way, 47 is reverse is 74. 7 square minus 4 square. 7 square means 49. 4 square means 16. Your answer goes to 33. 33 belongs to option B. Thirty-three belongs to option B. 33 belongs to option B. 33 belongs to option B. Right? Next bit mark. 33 belongs to option B. Next bit, sir. 81 is related to 81 is as 96 is dash. Option A is 335. Option B nana 345. Option C is 225. Option D is 255. Option D 255. What about the next bit, sir? You can observe it, ma. Next bit, ma. 18 is related to 48 is as 3150 is dash. Option A is as 3690. Option B is as 3750. Option C nana 3790. Option D nana 3840. Next bit, sir. 92 is related to 90. 9 is as 84 is related to dash. Option A is 88. Option B 100. Option C 102. Option D 103. Option D 103. Right, sir. You can observe it, sir. 81 belongs to 81. 81 is 81. 81 means how it possible, sir? 81 ones are how much, sir? 81. 96 ones are how much, sir? 96. Is it there in 96 in option? No, sir. There is no in option in 96. That's why we can do. What we do, 81 is 81. How it possible, sir? 81 belongs to 81. How it possible, sir? 81 can split it as 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1, how much, sir? 9. What about 9 square? 9 square means 81. In the same way, 96 can be split as 9 plus 6. 9 plus 6, how much, sir? 15. What about 15 square? 15 square is 225. 225 is a square of option C. Option C. Next bit, sir. 48 belongs to 18 is related to 48 is as 3150 is a dash. 3150 is a dash. Is it there any relation between 18 and 48? Is it there any relation between 18 and 48, sir? Alright, it is in the form of n cube minus n square. 18 can be written as 3 cube minus 3 square. 3 cube means 27 minus 9, how much my 18? 48 can be written as 4 cube minus 4 square. 64 minus 16, how much more? 48. Right? In the same way, 3150, it can be written as 15 cube minus 15 square. 3375 minus 225, how much sir? 3150. 3 next number is 4. 15 next number is how much more? 15 next number is 16. What about 16 cube minus 16 square? 16 cube is 4096 minus 256. Your answer goes to 3840. How much more? 3840 is the right answer. 3840 is the right answer. What about next one, sir? 92 becomes 99, gap is 7. In the same way here, gap is 7, our answer is 91. Is it there in 91 in option 1? Listen, there is nothing in option 1. Thus way we can do it. Why this gap is 7? Because of 92 is can be split as 9 minus 2 is 7. That's why it is increased by 7. 8 minus 4 means 4. 84 plus 4, how much are 88? 88 belongs to option A. 88 belongs to option A. Right, clear? Right, sir. 88 belongs to option A. It belongs to option A. 88 belongs to option A.